If you start YouTube in the wrong niche, you might never make money. But if you choose the right one, you can grow faster and earn more in 2026. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 YouTube niches that are trending in 2026, why they work, and how much you can potentially earn. The first niche is meditation and relaxing music. This niche gets millions of views because people use it for sleep, focus, and stress relief. The biggest advantage is watch time. Some videos are hours long, which means more ads and higher earnings. CPM in this niche is usually medium, but because of long watch time, total income can be very high. The second niche is baby lullaby music. Parents are always searching for content to help their babies sleep. This niche has less competition compared to meditation and very consistent views. CPM is moderate, but repeat views make it powerful. The third niche is nature shorts. Short videos of waterfalls, rain, forests. These go viral very easily. This niche is perfect for fast growth, especially for new channels. CPM is lower for shorts, but it helps you build an audience quickly. The fourth niche is tech and AI content. People are curious about new technology, tools, and online earning methods. This niche has high CPM, especially in countries like the USA. If you explain things simply, you can grow very fast. The fifth niche is motivation and self-improvement. Content about discipline, success, and habits is always trending. This niche has high engagement. People watch, like, and share. CPM is also good, and it's easy to create content using voiceover. Choosing the right niche is the first step to success on YouTube. Pick one niche, stay consistent, and focus on quality. Subscribe for more YouTube growth and online earning tips.